and welcome to our kitchen.
Today we're going to show you how to make quick and easy pita bread pizzas. To make the pita pizzas we need some
Pita bread, onion, olives, tomato, pizza topping, cheese, and lime, oregano. Tray, tea grade tray, knife, topping board. Don't forget to wash your hands properly.
So we've washed our hands properly, we've tied our hair back, got our aprons on, we're ready to go. Before you prepare all your ingredients, heat the oven up to 180 degrees. Prepare all the vegetables, chop the onions and tomatoes, chop the meat and grate the cheese. Ollie, would you like to chop the olives for me?
Yes, of course. Yes, I know.
There you go. Both hands. This way. Set and open and close. That's it. That's perfect. Very good. While Ollie's chopping the olives, I'm going to chop the onions. To chop the tomatoes, use the claw grip, slice in half, turn around, slice in half again, and cut in half, and you end up with cubes. Would you like to grate the cheese?
Yes, please.
Okay. Hold it on top, and then bring it down gently. That's it. Well done.
They're all folding here.
That's right. They're falling into the bowl. Would you like to have a look what's inside? There we go. Look. That's grated cheese. I'm just chopping little bits so we can put that on the pizza.
But I wanted a triangle.
How much is that of the whole circle?
A quarter.
Well done.
Arrange the pizza buns on the baking tray.
Spread a little bit of the pizza topping on each of the pita breads. You can hold it with one hand so it doesn't move. That's it. Well done. Yes, that's right. We're going to sprinkle the cheese first and then we're going to put all the toppings on our pizzas.
I'll have no tomato.
Okay, that's fine. Would you like to sprinkle some cheese on yours? Yeah, thank you. And if you're not keen on cheddar cheese, you can just use mozzarella.
What's cheddar?
This is cheddar cheese. Can you sprinkle some onion for me?
I'll put on
Yeah.
some rainbows.
They do look like rainbows. Well done. Not as many, maybe so close. And you can break them up if you like. There we go. I think that's a bit too much.
I have the most.
You have the most. Do you like onion?
Yeah.
That's good. I'll sprinkle some tomatoes. So sprinkle some tomatoes.
No, wait, that's mine.
That's yours. And you have requested no tomatoes on yours this time.
But I want to.
You do want some tomatoes. Would you like to do it?
No, I said I do want some salami.
Oh, so you don't want any tomatoes?
No, 0.
Okay, so
0 is a very low number. That means none.
that's right. So there you go. You can arrange the salami as well, as much as you like. Just have a look where you're putting it. Try to spread it around a little bit more. Okay, so they're not all in the same place. Well done. You're sprinkling the olives really nicely on the pizzas. Right, can you do the other one as well? Actually, we need on all of them. There we go.
You like pizzas? You like olives?
I do like olives. Which ones do you prefer, green or black?
Green and black and brown and beige.
All colours of olives.
Yeah.
Very
They
good.
have different taste.
They do actually taste differently, you're quite right. That's okay.
Different colours.
toppings on the pizzas. Now we're just going to sprinkle it with oregano. You can use basil, fresh basil or dried basil if you don't like oregano. But we are going to put loads of nice oregano. Ollie, can you do that for me, please?
This is for mine.
Can you sprinkle it? That's it, not in one place, all over. That's it. See?
This is mine.
That's mine. That's yours. This is Daddy's too.
That's mine.
Yeah. And this is mine. I like lots of oregano.
We all have the same number.
That's right, 2 each, because we are very hungry. And they are ready to go in the oven. Bake for about 10 minutes until cheese is melted and the vegetables are cooked. The cheese has melted, so our pizzas are ready to come out. Open the oven, step back to let the steam out. And take them out. Perfect.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Enjoy!